Remove the guard is a favorite tactic pattern for many under 1000 rated players. In this position, we have a relatively complicated position. So it's not very clear to see what we are trying to remove. But let's take a step back and see what are we trying to attack for white in the first place. White has a nice battery on the f file. It's getting ready to attack on f7. So the first question we want to ask ourselves is, who is defending f7? We can see black's queen and the king are defending f7. And we only need to remove one piece from defending it, then we can start attacking f7. Certainly, we want to remove the queen so we can use the f file, the battery on f file, to attack the king. All right, now we know who is our target, the queen. We want to remove the queen from defending f7. Now the next question is, how do we do that? All right, let's see what can we attack the queen. Knight is a great piece for us to use. Unfortunately, d5 is blocked by our own pawn, so we have to look for another piece. And the hidden piece is the bishop on h2. So attacking on d6. And in fact, related to our earlier video, this is actually overloaded as well. But let's focus on remove the guard in this particular puzzle. Bishop takes d6 is the best move here. Making a fork on the queen and the rook. And the queen has to take. After queen takes, we are getting ready for our attack. Not only checking the king, but also winning black's rook. So in this puzzle, we are removing the guard from defending f7, and then after it, we can continue our attack. So the queen is both a guard as well as being overloaded on two defending points. And because of that, we can take advantage and try to remove the guard. All right, so certainly this puzzle is a little bit harder for many newer players, but it will be a good exercise for you to search for remove the guard puzzles in general and try to do as many as possible. And the more you see, the more puzzles you solve, the closer you'll be able to solve this type of puzzles even in your games.